Another case study was a large federal agency. This state agency handles more than 150,000 hearings annually, all tied to public assistance and unemployment decisions. Every case generates document packets that must be processed fast. Before IDP, they had 40 full-time staff indexing incoming faxes manually, a huge drain on time and cost. With IDP, they were able to process more than 2.6 million pages and extract over 11.4 million data fields, which dramatically improves speed and accuracy. Classification accuracy was 92% and OCR accuracy hit 98%. They also cut index validation time by 80%. One key win? They built 22 unique batch classes to automatically route documents by hearing type, removing manual handoffs between departments. They now freed up FTE staff capacity, eliminated backlog, and transformed the way documents move through the agency.